Hi, my name is Charlotte Keller, and here is a karaoke cover that is, of Please Come Home for Christmas by my dad's favorite group, to quote, the Eagles. What's coming? Bells are ringing. It's afternoon. Oh, what a Christmas to have the blues. My baby's gone. I have no friends to wish me greetings once again. Birds were singing Silent Night, Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night. Send some relations, send salutations. So as a shout of love. So it's Christmas, yes, Christmas, my dear, the time of year to be with the one you love. Someone to tell me you'll never come alone. Christmas and New Year's will find you home. There'll be no more sorrow, no grief and pain, and I'll be happy, happy once again. Dedicated to all the soldiers out there that's fighting in Iraq and other places around the world. Ooh, there'll be no more sorrow, no grief and pain, and I'll be happy Christmas once again. Thank you.